how to use your iPad as a monitor for your iPhone's camera. So this is a great way to be able to control and see your camera in full screen. Now to do this, you first need to go and install a free application. So I'm going to head over to my iPad like this, and we're just going to load up the App Store. From the App Store, click on the search box, and then search for an app called Blackmagic Camera, and then press search. You can then click on this app here, which is a Blackmagic Camera, and you'll need to go and install this onto your iPad. Now once you've finished installing this on your iPad, you'll also need to install this on your iPhone as well. So once you have the app on both devices, let's go and open it up on the iPad. Now if this is your first time using the app, you'll get this pop-up window. You'll need to check all of the options to allow the different permissions, and make sure to click on allow next to each one. You can then press continue, and then press continue once again. Now once the app's open, click on settings in the bottom right hand side, and then select remote camera control. Make sure this option is turned on and enabled. You may get a pop-up notification, make sure to click on allow. Now select use this iPad as, and make sure this is set to controller. Now let's go and head over to the iPhone, and let's go and open up the Blackmagic Camera. Now go and open up the settings on the app. You can then scroll all the way down and come down to the option remote camera control and make sure this is turned on. If you get a pop-up notification, make sure to press allow. Click on use this iPhone as and select remote camera. You'll then have the option to create a password, and you'll need this to connect to the camera. Now once you've finished all of these steps, make sure your iPad and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now make sure the app is open on both of your devices, and then come back over to your iPad. Now click on camera in the bottom left hand side. You can then click on the 3 vertical dots from the left hand navigation, and you should see an icon here to bring up your available cameras. Now when you click this, you should be able to see your iPhone from the list of devices. If you don't see your iPhone, just make sure your iPhone is unlocked, and just make sure you have the app running like so. Now once your iPhone appears, you can go and toggle it to on. It will ask for the password which you set earlier. Go and enter the password. Now once it's connected, you can see our iPhone's camera is now being mirrored over to the iPad. So we have the camera on big display, which makes it much easier to see. Now if you want to use both cameras at the same time, you can also toggle on the iPad camera. You'll then have all of your different camera settings, and by changing this on the iPad, it will also go and change it on the iPhone as well. To actually see both of the cameras at the same time, you can just go and click on this icon here, and you'll then be able to see the camera on both your iPhone and also iPad.